Hello friends, let us discuss about varicose vein and its management through Ayurveda. Dr. Vaidya Anil Kumar, myself shall tell you briefly about the management of a varicose vein. As it is understood as a degenerative disorder due to the lack of loss of elasticity of the vessel wall of the veins, we need to support the circulation back to the heart. How we can manage it? By reverse massage. Generally, we do the massage from the heart towards the extremities of the body, wherein in varicose vein we suggest the reverse massage from the extremities to the heart to initiate and enhance the circulation of the vein, which is collecting the impure blood from the extremities back to the heart for purification to the kidneys. So what happens during the problem or disorder of a varicose vein? Actually, the vessel wall loses its patency, the strength, so that the recoil from the arterial circulation is lessened, lowered. The blood pumping back to the heart is literally reduced. So if we do the massage reverse, it initiates the flow of blood back to the heart, which will help the impure blood to get purified easily. Other than that, there is a specific surgical technique I can describe about. It is called Rakta Moksha, bloodletting, which is so popular in Kerala. I can just initiate a story or a life example from a middle-aged teacher. Usually the varicose vein is more found these days in aged from 30 to 50. Teachers and policemen. It is even defined as a policeman disease. So the teacher who was my patient came to me for a solution of the treatment of varicose vein after doing the Doppler scan and fixing the dates for surgery. I had consulted my colleague there in the Central Government Research Institute of Cherudurthi, where hundreds of cases come to do the bloodletting case or surgery for removing the blocks, the blood which is collected in the veins. So wonderfully we suggested Sahajaradi, which is a combination of a Karingurini, Chukku and Devadara. Only 3 medicines which are formulated as a decoction and additive. Sahajaradi 14 Avarti is added as 10 drops to the Kashayam twice a day before food. According to the consultation by a physician, experienced person, the dosage has to be fixed for the medicines to be prepared. Still, I am saying about the simple preparation of Sahajaradi is very effective in the case of a varicose vein. And we need to understand that apart from the procedure of bloodletting, that is Siraveda, we take out 200 to 300 ml of blood from the affected vein through a puncturing of the vein, affected vein, and once that is finished, we will go for the Kashaya preparation at least 3 to 6 months according to the situations. Beyond this, we will check the clotting time and bleeding time of the blood to undergo the procedure of bloodletting. So basically we have to understand that the hemoglobin level should be normal, less than the highest peak rate maybe, but little above the normal level, it does not matter. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you.